As a child, Daniel Harris was the son of a horse trainer. His family moved frequently from stable to stable, ranch to ranch, training horses. This constant relocation often disrupted his schooling. One day, during his senior year, his teacher assigned the class to write about what they wanted to be when they grew up. Daniel didn't hesitate and wrote a 7-page paper detailing his dream of owning a horse ranch. He described the layout of the buildings, the stables, and even included a plan for a house. 2 days later, he received his paper back with an F marked on the front page. Confused and disheartened, Daniel approached his teacher after class to ask why he had received such a low grade. The teacher looked at him and said, "This dream is unrealistic for a boy like you. You have no money, no resources, and come from an itinerant family. There is no possibility that you will reach this goal." She then offered him the opportunity to rewrite the paper with a more realistic goal in mind. Daniel went home and discussed the situation with his father. He asked his father how he should respond to the teacher's criticism. His father, a wise and supportive man, told him, "This is a very important decision, so you must come to your own conclusion. Follow your heart." After several days of contemplation, Daniel decided to stand by his dream. He brought the same paper back to his teacher, unchanged. He handed it to her and said, "You can keep the F, but I will keep my dream." Years passed, and Daniel's unwavering dedication to his vision never faltered. He worked tirelessly, learning everything he could about horses and ranch management. Despite numerous obstacles and setbacks, he remained focused on his goal. Eventually, Daniel Harris became the owner of a 200-acre horse ranch, complete with a 4,000-square-foot house, just as he had envisioned. He framed the original paper and hung it over his fireplace as a testament to his journey and determination. Daniel's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to pursue their dreams despite the odds. He often shared his journey, emphasizing the importance of believing in oneself and not letting others dictate what is possible. Always remember to follow your heart and never listen to those who do not believe in your ability to achieve your dreams. The path to success is not always easy, but with perseverance, determination, and self-belief, even the most improbable dreams can become reality. The moral of the story is simple, yet profound. Trust in your vision and have the courage to pursue it, regardless of the naysayers. Your dreams are worth fighting for.